BMA Biotech. Tomorrow's solutions today. Proudly introduce Tank Cleaning Solution, custom formulated cleaning solution for oil storage tanks and rail cars. Millions of gallons of petroleum fluids are either transported around the United States in rail cars or contained within large storage tanks. However, after the petroleum fluid has been discharged from each rail car or storage tank, they must be thoroughly cleaned prior to reuse, inspection, or to undergo routine maintenance. The chemicals used for cleaning both storage tanks and rail cars are highly toxic, highly irritant, and extremely flammable. The conventional products which are currently used increase operational costs and may also require the addition of heat to be more effective. BMA Biotech have developed Tank Cleaning Solution, which is a non-harmful, non-flammable, and fully biodegradable in 70 days. TCS is a thermodynamically stable microemulsion which combines cutting-edge chemistry with highly effective, non-microbial natural compounds. The highly effective and fit-for-purpose product significantly reduces risk to health, safety, and the environment. In addition, TCS also considerably reduces chemical costs and does not require the use of heat. Tank Cleaning Solution product test. Removal of heavy crude oil from a steel token. For the purpose of this test, we'll be using two 2-inch squares of steel coated in heavy crude oil. The square to the left will be used for the application of TCS. The square to the right will be used for the application of the conventional product. As you can see, from initial applications, there's very little difference with the conventional product. However, the TCS has brought off some minor surface covering of the heavy crude oil. It is now noticeable that the TCS product is bringing off far more heavy crude oil than a conventional product. The temperature of the products at this testing stage was 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or the equivalent of 0 degrees Celsius. TCS is in a 10% concentration, while the conventional product has been mixed as per the manufacturer's recommended dosage. If you look at the TCS square, you will notice that there is now visible areas of the stainless steel token, whereas the conventional product seems to be not making any difference whatsoever. You can see when they're applied side by side, the conventional product doesn't seem to be making that much of a difference. There is a slight corner on the top right hand side which is exposed. However, if you look at the TCS, there is a marked difference, as more of the surface area is now visible just with a few applications of the solution. If you look closely at the TCS test section, you will notice that the heavy crude oil is actually running freely from the surface of the steel token, whereas the conventional products seem to be making indentations but not removing any great volume of heavy crude oil. Within a few minutes of the application of TCS, 80% of the steel token was exposed. When compared to the conventional product, only a 3% area has been exposed. The TCS solution has removed greater than 96% of the heavy crude oil, whereas a conventional product has removed less than 20%. For the second part of the test, we will use an absorbent pad to remove the remaining crude oil from both surfaces. As you can see, I can easily remove crude oil with my finger, and even easier with an absorbent pad. The test square is now completely clean. We'll now try the same practice on the conventional product. The absorbent pad removes a small amount of heavy crude oil, but it seems that instead of being removed from the surface, it's actually being pushed into areas where the crude oil has already been removed. As you can see from looking at the sections after the test, TCS is completely clean, where the conventional product has smearing over the areas that were firstly removed. TCS will leave a fine microfilm upon metallic surfaces, which lasts for up to 30 days, which prevents the redeposition of oil after removal. To further emphasize how safe TCS is, I've cleaned my hands at the end of the experiment. As you can see, there are no signs of irritation or chemical burns to my hands. In conclusion, TCS is an effective solution for removing crude oil from metallic surfaces, does not require the use of heat to make the product effective, encapsulates crude oil/grease to prevent redeposition after removal, easily separates from oil/grease, which enables TCS to be reused a further 2 times, does not contain toxic compounds and does not irritate skin, and is fully biodegradable in 70 days.